Right guys, so as you can see, we're back on the Astra. You can't see it too good there, but the Astra does need a clean. It was cleaned, however, last time it was valeted and it was pictured up. I never got around to uploading the pictures online. I just got a little bit too busy and I never had a chance to upload them. However, I had a phone call yesterday of a friend of mine who goes, look, I know you're in the buying and selling car game now. Have you got any cars that I can buy? I need a cheap little run around. I was like, of course I have. I've got an Astra. He goes, can you send me a picture? So I sent him the pictures over that we were going to list them online for. He's then told me it's not for him, it's for someone else that he knows of. So it's like his friend. So now it's a friend of a friend. They have just rang me about 20 minutes ago saying that they're going to set off and they're on the way to come view the car. So what we need to go ahead and do is get the car looking good again, because if you look there, we've got bird drop-ins. We've got bird drop-ins all over there. The camera's not wanting to focus now. We've got it all over the windscreen. So we need to go ahead and just quickly rinse the car down, get the bird drop-ins off. It's not going to get a mint clean, just a quick wash down with a sponge and a hose pipe. Get it all sorted, so when they come we can see if the car actually sells. Now, one thing I did find inside this car was the previous owner's details, well, his full name. So the car did belong to someone called Sam. I'm not going to go into too much of their details, however I do have some belongings of theirs. If you do watch this channel and you do recognise this car, definitely reach out to me and I can return your belongings to you. However, I don't think, they're mega expensive or important. So if I don't hear anything back in a month or so, I will just get rid of the items. Anyway guys, let's go ahead and get it all cleaned up. And just like that, we're all soaked up and ready to rinse it all off.